Leaked iPhone 14 Pro display found in Apple iOS 16 code. The first iOS 16 beta release is here, and Apple has left a treasure trove of information in its code, including a surprise new HomePod launch. Now, an upgrade tip to be an iPhone 14 Pro exclusive has also been discovered. Spotted by 9 to 5 Mac, iOS 16 contains multiple references that confirm iOS 16 does indeed include support for an always-on display. This is a feature Apple chose to leave out of the official iOS 16 launch, and explaining its omission. Something Bloomberg's breaking down its discovery, 9 to 5 Mac explains. Within iOS 16, there are 3 new frameworks that have been added that relate to backlight management of the iPhone's display. Backlight management is a key aspect of enabling an always-on feature. Each of these frameworks includes references to an always-on display capability. The site points out that the references should not be confused with the always-on display that already exists in the Apple Watch and are specific to components within iOS, including the lock screen. Additionally, and most notably, there are multiple references to an always-on display within the Springboard, which is what manages the lock screen and home screen of iPhone. Interestingly, 9 to 5 Mac notes that there are hidden flags within the iOS 16 beta code, which allow the feature to be enabled on unsupported devices for testing. First, while iPhone 13 Pro models have displays with a variable refresh rate of 10-120 Hz, the iPhone 14 Pro display is tipped to go as low as 1 Hz, making an always-on display more efficient on this device. Second, were it coming to existing iPhone models, Apple would surely have announced it, especially when it talked up lock screen improvements as one of iOS 16's biggest upgrades.